Right? So back to the story, just so y'all know. We're in this chicken shop, okay? I'm ordering food, simple as that. I'm sitting down, we haven't got our food yet. It took about 15, 20 minutes. There's no one in there, dead, okay? Walking in, walking out, walking in, walking out. Came in people, like took pictures of me because they see my blonde hair now, whatever, right? Why don't you wear a hoodie? Because I was 30 seconds away. I just want to go down and grab some food, simple as that. 3 guys come in, three, okay? 3 guys come in, this is like 1 a.m. First guy comes in, normal, whatever. Second guy comes in, doesn't say a word. The first guy says, oh, yo, isn't that Marlin, yeah? Like, whatever. So I was like, yo, what's good, bro? Whatever. I was like, yo, what's good with that? Daps up, everything. Like, all good. Second one kind of just looks at me, just stands there.